What's up, guys? I'm going to be showing you how to make a Lego butterfly knife. Alright, so for this video, you are going to need two 15-hole Technic pieces, rounded preferred, one 9 rounded Technic piece, two 5-hole rounded Technic pieces, two spinning round connectors, one non-spinning connector, and that's pretty much all you're going to need for this. So to start, take one of your 5 pieces and take your two small long rounded connectors, do this, and then take your non-spinning one, place it in the middle of both of those. Next, take your 9 piece, place it one hole down on the blue. It looks like this. And take your two 15 long pieces and place them on there like that. Now take your other 5 long piece and place it on top of those. Now an optional thing you can do is plate it to make it slightly heavier. So take regular Lego one by however long you want it pieces and place them all along here. Repeat for the other side. And then there you go. Hope you enjoyed.